distance, our length of our wind is all going to be the same. Okay? So Mustafa, I'm going to give you that. I'm going to grab our chat for the moment and slowly start our movement. Okay? So here we go as I'm going to get things set up. All right? One more moment. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to start with our control first. Okay? And I need to move my computer for a safe distance back because there's going to be wind blowing. All right? So give me one moment as I'm going to move my hammock down. That there is no barrier. Do you guys notice that? I have no barrier whatsoever on this one. It's just sand and the tap. I have my blow dryer that I'm going to do for 25 seconds. Okay? Which I'll set the timer. And I'm going to set it on light. Okay? You can see where the sand is at the top. You can see where the buildings are. Alright. Here we go. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to start my blow dryer. And I'm going to set it on cool. Alright. Here we go. Alright. That is our control. So Mustafa, I'm going to give you a moment. I'll measure that in 1 moment. Okay? And you will be my writer. Okay? Pretty cool. No barrier. That is a lot of sand. Alright. Now next, as I move down, okay, we have tall grids. Alright, we have tall vegetation. I'm going to set my timer and do it again as we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, let's start my blow dryer. Alright, noticing a difference already? Actually, it does. This is actually what wind would do. I mean, would it do it as quick as that? Maybe, maybe not. Alright. Now, since there's already a little bit of sand in there from actually other, as we started to represent, I'm going to go ahead and do short vegetation. Alright? Yep. Not as much. Yes, you can definitely see a big difference. Let me go ahead and bring my computer over a little bit closer. Alright, can you guys hear me still? Give me thumbs up if you can. Alright, here comes our next one, short vegetation. Alright. Oh, hold on, I'm going to set my timer. Give me 1 second. Now I'm going to move in to our next one, which is toothpick. All right, which is also kind of like our sand grid. All right. Now there was a little bit, as I said, it flew everywhere from our control. You can definitely see how that changed. Moving downward. 1 second. All right. And setting our timer. Here we go. All right, and now we're going to do 2 more. We're going to do our fence. Move it down. Give me 1 minute. All right. Here we go. 25 seconds on our timer. Showing our consistency. And start. All right, now our last one is really awesome. Our last one, we're actually going to spray oil. All right, and that oil is going to be our silicone at the beach. Pull it closer and bring it around close. All right, and spray it on our sand. Nice light coat. Okay. Now, I'm going to count because my timer is all the way over there. Oh. And this will be our last one. Okay.